Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone.
Today we will be discussing how to change the name of your hotspot on your iPhone. So let's say you go into your Settings app and tap on Personal Hotspot. You'll probably notice that there's no obvious option to just rename the hotspot right there. That's because the name of your hotspot is actually linked to the name of your iPhone itself. So to change it, we need to go back to the main Settings menu. Then, scroll down a little bit and tap on General. Next, tap About right at the very top. This screen gives you all sorts of info about your iPhone. But we're interested in changing the name. Tap on Name at the top of the screen. Now you can rename your iPhone to whatever you like. I'm going to call mine MagSafe for this example. Once you've typed in the new name, just tap Done. Now go all the way back to the main Settings menu.
Go back to Personal Hotspot.
If you don't see the Personal Hotspot option right away, tap Mobile Service, then click on Personal Hotspot. To make sure it's worked, you should see the new name of your iPhone displayed in quotes. In my case, it says MagSafe. Now, if the new name isn't showing up on other people's devices when they search for the hotspot, all you need to do is turn off your personal hotspot and then turn it back on again. If it still isn't working, you might need to restart your iPhone for the change to fully update. So, I hope you found this helpful. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to FixZone for more helpful tips and tricks.